Hi friends, my name is Maruti and I'm the co-founder of Cracku. In this video, I want to talk about 5 very common mistakes students make during their CAT preparation, which affect their percentile without them even realizing it. Every year, we see many students putting genuine effort into their preparation. They study for long hours, they solve many questions, they take mocks regularly, but still sometimes the final result is not what they expected. And in many cases, the issue is not intelligence. Usually the issue is preparation strategy and the way students approach CAT preparation overall. So in this video, I'll discuss some of the important mistakes which I feel CAT aspirants should avoid. The first mistake is relying more on shortcuts and less on concept fundamentals. This is probably one of the most common mistakes amongst beginners. Students watch topper strategy videos, buy mock series, and when they start solving questions, they immediately rely on shortcuts. But their basics are not yet strong. This is especially true in quants. If percentages, ratios, averages, algebra basics, or arithmetic concepts are weak, then shortcuts alone will not help you much in the examination. And many times, a similar thing happens even in LRDI and VARC. Many students focus more on tricks and patterns instead of understanding the concepts properly. But CAT usually tests clarity under pressure. In the actual examination, when pressure increases, strong fundamentals will help you stay calm. Weak basics usually create panic. So don't rush too quickly towards shortcuts. Spend proper time building your concepts first. That matters more in the long run. The second mistake is ignoring weaker sections. This is another dangerous mistake that many students make. Usually, students spend more time on sections that they're already good at or sections that they already like. For example, if someone is very comfortable with Quant, they just keep practicing more and more Quant. If somebody likes VRC, they only solve RCs and ignore the other sections. But slowly, their weakest section becomes their biggest problem in CAT. And remember, CAT is not only about your overall percentile. Sectional cutoffs are also very important for the top IIMs and other very good MBA institutes. So avoiding weak sections is usually not a good idea. Instead, trying to improve in weak areas slowly and consistently is a better strategy. Even small improvements matter a lot over time. And honestly, many students feel confused during this phase. They don't know where exactly they're weak. They don't know what strategy suits them. They don't know what is the percentile that they should realistically target. That is one of the reasons why we have started the free mentorship initiative at Cracku, which many students are actually using. Students find it useful because mentors help them understand their preparation level, their weak areas, and what are the changes that they should make in their strategy. Since it is free, you can check the link in the description. And if you feel that you need some guidance during your preparation, book a slot and our mentor will get in touch with you. The third mistake is delaying taking mock tests. This is a mistake that many students make every year. They keep saying things like, I will start mocks after the syllabus completion, I'm not ready yet, let me practice more, after that I'll attempt mocks. But because of this, many months pass away. And mocks are a very important part of the preparation itself. Mocks teach you time management. They will teach you how to select good questions. They will teach you how to handle stress. Your accuracy improves if you take more mocks. Decision making improves if you take more mocks. A lot of learning happens during these mocks. So don't wait for the perfect time. Even if your preparation is incomplete, even if you haven't completed the syllabus, start taking mocks regularly and consistently. If you have started taking mocks, and if you have not started taking mocks yet, we have 3 free mocks in the latest pattern that are available at Cracku. You can just Google search Cracku free CAT mock and you'll go to the link which has 3 free CAT mocks. All of them have detailed video solutions and they're taken by thousands of students. Definitely do check it out. There is actually another important mistake which is related to mocks. Many students attempt mocks, see their percentile and they start reacting emotionally. There are only very few students who analyze mocks properly. Many times, mock analysis is actually more useful and more important than taking the mock itself. After every mock, sit calmly and analyze what exactly went wrong. Did you waste your time anywhere? Did you choose difficult questions unnecessarily? Try to figure out what exactly went wrong in the mock and how you can improve. That is going to help you quite a lot. By the way, if you're finding this video valuable and genuinely useful for your CAT 2026 preparation, please do take 2 seconds and like the video. Also, please do subscribe to this channel because we regularly upload CAT strategy videos, concept videos, mock analysis, and important CAT questions. Here, I actually wanted to share an interesting thing. One of our Cracku toppers, Yesh, shared one valuable insight in a toppers interview that he did with us. He mentioned that he got 2 direct questions in CAT from a CAT formula revision video that we did last year. I think it was a 7-hour formula marathon video that we did, I think in around September or October of last year. According to him, that 7-hour video helped him a lot during revision and exam preparation. He scored 99.38 in CAT 2024, which improved to 99.57 this year, and he successfully converted FMS Delhi. His example clearly shows the importance of consistently preparing and revising your concepts during CAT preparation. So if you don't want to miss out on valuable CAT preparation content, please do subscribe to this channel right now. If you're facing any issue with any particular section, please do comment below the video. I'll try to look at it and I'll try to reply back to the best of my ability. The fourth mistake is spending too much time planning instead of studying. This mistake looks productive initially, but it slowly affects your preparation over the course of a few months. Many students spend hours making timetables, searching for resources, watching strategy videos, and organizing notes. But actual studying becomes very less. Planning is useful to a certain extent, but execution matters much more in the long term. CAT preparation is mainly about consistency over a long period of time. Even 3 or 4 focused hours done daily will help you improve quite a lot in your CAT score. You can see a lot of improvement in your CAT score even if you're preparing for just 3 or 4 hours consistently every single day. The fifth mistake is spending too much time trying to solve difficult sets. This happens especially in LRDI. Students feel that solving the toughest sets means that they're preparing seriously. But in the actual examination, selection matters a lot. Some students waste 30 minutes, 35 minutes on one difficult set because they don't want to leave it midway. But because of that, they miss out on the easier sets which could have given them better marks. CAT is not about solving everything. CAT is about maximizing your score within a limited period of time. So learn how to identify easier and manageable questions quickly. That is a very important skill. And finally, one more mistake that many students ignore completely is their health and sleep. Some students feel that sleeping less means they're working harder. But poor sleep affects concentration, decision making, and overall efficiency as well. CAT preparation needs mental stamina. So take care of your health properly. Sleep well, take short breaks, go for walks sometimes. Try to stay mentally fresh during the CAT preparation because burnout can affect consistency very badly. And finally, one thing I would definitely tell every CAT 2026 aspirant is this. CAT preparation is not only about hard work. It is also about consistency, mindset, strategy, and decision making. So try to prepare in a calm and structured way. Don't compare yourself with others. Don't panic after a bad mock. Keep improving little by little every single day. That gradual improvement over time creates a huge difference. And if you found this video useful, please like it because it helps the channel reach more CAT aspirants who may also benefit from this content. Like I mentioned earlier, if you have any doubts with respect to your CAT preparation, you can mention them in the comments. I read all the comments and I'll try to respond to as many as I can. All the best for your CAT 2026 preparation. I hope you do really well.